Hello everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today, Lily is eating her way through the world's most famous bakeries, cafes, and restaurants in Paris. Lily isn't just eating in Paris. She's learning English in 6 different restaurants from 6 different people. She understands English a little more deeply. 6 restaurants, 6 corrections, 1 unforgettable day. So, let's dive in.
Bonjour. Can I help you?
Yes, please. I want to taste the sourdough. Can I?
Try. You want to try it. Here, a small piece.
Try. Of course. Can I try it?
Yes, this is our famous miche, made in the old stone oven.
This bread is serious.
All bread should be serious.
The starter is from 1932?
Yes, over 90 years old. The same culture. Every day we feed it.
You keep it alive?
It is alive. Yes, like a pet. But it makes better bread than a pet. Here is your fresh sourdough.
Thank you. It looks wonderful. Arrived too. But yesterday, I learned arrived at. I arrived at Café de Flore. Corrected your mistake.
Your café crème.
Thank you. Can I ask, is this where Hemingway came?
He preferred Les Dominguez, next door. But yes, this street, these cafes, everyone came here.
Everyone.
Sartre, Beauvoir, Picasso, Camus.
They all sat here. And now I am sitting here? Oh, that is long.
First time?
Yes. Is it always like this?
Always. The restaurant is full of people every day.
Packed. Not full of people, packed.
Packed every single day. And still worth waiting.
Complete? That means full?
Yes, full. Packed. No more tables.
I waited 40 minutes.
Yes, this happens. Sometimes I wait and still do not get in.
And you still come back?
Every week. The food is worth it. 2? Come in. 1 table just canceled. After you.
That was close.
In Paris, always close. That is the game.
This is worth 40 minutes.
Always.
Oh, they are beautiful. Hello. I want to make a reservation for 1 person, please.
Of course. We say book a table. Would you like to book a table for 1?
Book a table. Yes, I would like to book a table for 1.
Right this way.
I feel like I am in 1862. Oh, that is different from anything I have eaten. Excuse me, can you recommend me something?
I think you mean, can you recommend something to me?
Something to me, yes. Can you recommend something to me?
Of course. Try the Ispahan. It is our most famous creation.
What is in it?
Rose petals, raspberry, lychee.
That sounds like perfume, not food.
Yes, that is the point.
I need a moment.
Everyone does.
People choose this often?
Very often. Some come here only for this.
Only for 1 dessert.
It is not just a dessert. It is an experience.
That sounds serious.
We take our pastries seriously.
I am still thinking about the ingredients.
Rose, raspberry, lychee. Sweet, floral, and light.
I have never eaten a flower before.
Then today is a good day to start.
Does it taste like it smells?
Not exactly. It is more delicate.
Delicate is a difficult word for food.
It means subtle, not too strong.
I understand.
It's a customer favorite.
It looks wonderful. I'll try it. Mmm, delicious. The raspberry is perfect.
I'm so glad you like it.
Oh, this is a museum, not a restaurant.
Good afternoon. Do you have a reservation?
No, I am sorry. I did not know I needed one.
We are fully booked for lunch. I am sorry.
Could I just sit at the bar? Or have a coffee? I traveled from London to see this room.
One moment. We have one seat at the bar, a cafe, and a small dessert. Would that be acceptable?
Yes, very. Thank you.
Where are you from?
I live in London. I arrived to Paris yesterday.
Arrived in Paris. We say arrived in a city. Arrived at a building.
Arrived in Paris. Arrived at this restaurant.
Exactly.
Very dramatic.
This is Le Grand Vefour.
I have eaten bread, coffee, duck, macarons, a rose pastry, a chocolate fondant, and it is only 3 o'clock. Hello, I want to book a table for 1 tonight at 7. 2 corrections, used correctly. Good day for English. This is real Paris. What is this?
Truffle from Perigord, southwest France.
A truffle? I have heard of these. They are expensive?
Very. This one, 200 euros per kilo.
I will just look.
Good evening. What would you like?
The choucroute, please. And a glass of Riesling.
Excellent choice. The choucroute here is made the same way as in 1880.
The same recipe for 140 years?
Some things should not change.
This is not small.
In Alsace, there is no such thing as a small portion.
Excuse me. I pay the dinner now, please.
I think you mean I would like to pay, or can I have the bill?
Can I have the bill, please?
Of course. And you pay for dinner, not pay the dinner.
I will pay for dinner. Yes.
I will bring it.
I ate at 6 places today. Bread at Poilon, coffee at Café de Flore, duck at Le Comptoir, macarons at Ladurée, roses at Pierre Hermé, chocolate at Le Grand Vefour, and choucroute at Brasserie Lip. That is 7. I am staying here. Tonight. Just one night.
I have a booking. My name is Lilly.
One moment, please. I am sorry. I cannot find your booking.
I booked it this afternoon on my phone.
Can you spell your surname, please? I have a booking here, but the name is different. It says Lilly, 1L.
That is me. I spelled it wrong when I booked. On my phone.
The booking is for Lily. Your passport says Lily.
1 letter. I am the same person. I ate at 7 places today. I ran through Gare du Nord yesterday. Please, 1 letter.
1 letter is not a different person.
Room 24, 3rd floor. Breakfast is included from 7.
Thank you, really. Lily, where are you? You sound different. I am in a hotel in Paris, room 24. A hotel? Very fancy. It took some explaining. My name was spelled wrong. Of course it was.
Mom, I ate at 7 places today. 7? Bread, coffee, duck, macarons, a rose pastry, chocolate, sauerkraut. That is not 7 meals. That is a whole week. It felt like a week. And your English? 6 corrections today. All different, all new. In a restaurant? In 6 different restaurants. You are learning English with food now. The best way, I think. I love you. Sleep well. I love you too, Mom. Good night. Try food, not taste. Can I try some? Arrived in a city. Arrived at a building. Arrived in Paris. Arrived at the restaurant. Packed means completely full. The restaurant was packed. Book a table, not make a reservation. Can you recommend something to me? Not recommend me.
One question. What is the most famous restaurant in your country? Tell me in the comments. I am making a list. See you in next video. And tell us which topic you want next.